Okay, today we're going to read a weather book. This is called Fog is a Cloud, and notice that it is in a 2G art bookshelf book. So Fog is a Cloud. These are clouds. Many clouds are up here. So we have 3 different levels of clouds. This is the biosphere, is where we live. The troposphere, this is where the clouds are. This is where airplanes fly. And then above that is the stratosphere. And this is where like spaceships go. So airplanes cannot go way up here. But not all of them are. This cloud is down here. So you can see it. It's down on the ground where we walk. It is fog. Where does fog come from? This is rain. Rain makes puddles. The sun comes out. The water in the puddles gets hot. It gets so hot, it goes up. It stops here. Why? There is water in the sky. This water stops that water, so it kind of gets trapped in between. All of the water makes a cloud. This cloud is fog. People in cars can't see through the fog. They have to have these, and these are called headlights. People in the boats can't see through the fog. They have to look for the light in a lighthouse. Pilots can't see through the fog. They won't take off now because it's very dangerous to fly. The sun comes out. The water in the fog gets hot. It goes up, up, up. There's no fog now. Look at the cars, boats, and planes go. So there's 4 types of fog. You have the evaporation fog, you have the radiation fog, you have the upslope fog, and then you have the advocation fog. Okay, so there's different types of fog. All right, so let's look at our power words. Down here where it says 2G, we have make, out, but, does, from, goes, many, not, now, off, so, stop, take, them, these, through, won't. Good job, guys.